Hello, everyone! Welcome to Smart Start Math. In this video, you will learn all about the long I sound. Let's get started.
Long I. I, E.
This is a kite. What's the middle sound in the word kite?
I.
That's right. I. Kite.
Listen, point, and read. 1,
I. T. Kite.
I. T. Kite.
2,
I. N. Pine.
I. N. Pine.
3,
R. I. P. Ripe.
I. P. Ripe.
4,
F. I. N. Fine.
F. I. N. Fine.
listen, point, and read. 1,
Kit. Kite.
Kit. Kite.
2,
Pin. Pine.
Pin. Pine.
3,
Rip. Ripe.
Rip. Ripe.
4,
Fin. Fine.
Fin. Fine.
long I. I, M, E. I, K, E.
This is a lime. What's the middle sound in the word lime?
I.
That's right. I. Lime. This is a bike. What's the middle sound in the word bike?
I.
That's right. I. Bike.
Listen, point, and read. 1,
L. I. M. Lime.
L. I. M. Lime.
2,
B. I. K. Bike.
I. K. Bike.
3,
I. M. Time.
I. M. Time.
4,
I. K. Hike.
H. I. K. Hike.
long I. I, V, E. I, N, E.
This is a 5. What's the middle sound in the word 5?
I.
That's right. I. 5. This is a 9. What's the middle sound in the word 9?
I.
That's right. I. 9.
Listen, point, and read. 1,
F. I. V. 5.
F. I. V. 5.
2,
N. I. N. 9.
N. I. N. 9.
3,
D. I, v, dive.
I, v, dive.
4.
L, I, n, line.
L, I, n, line.
Thank you, everyone, for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.